welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to share with you guys a few fun, easy do-it-yourself activities for your kids when you guys are on the road for a very long time, going on those family road trips. So a lot of these are very inexpensive, they're easy, and you're really going to enjoy them. Not are you going to enjoy them, but your children are going to enjoy them so much. So keep watching, and if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you guys like what you see, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you a part of my family. And let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you all these awesome activities and how to do them. So first off, you definitely have to get one of these cookie sheets from the dollar store. It is the perfect tray for your kids for any activity they might possibly do in the car. And I'm actually going to show you how I made this tray with this little racetrack. So first you will definitely need a cookie pan, cookie sheet, and duct tape. Hopefully you can find this. I did buy this at the Dollar Tree a long time ago, but hopefully you can get your hands on it. If you can't get it here at the Dollar Tree, I'm sure you can get it at another store, maybe a crafting store. I am pretty sure they would definitely have it as well. So as you can see, I am just going to lay it out on one side and then cut it. And you are definitely going to have to kind of like play around with the tape just so that it's all uniform and goes all the way around it correctly. So as you watch, you will see how I do that. So keep watching. So there you have it, guys, a super easy activity tray that you could do multiple things on, and your kids are going to love it. And here is just a tackle box for fishing, and you divide it up, and the fun thing is you let the kids pick out their snacks to take on the trip, and they really look forward to it, and they look forward to packing it all up and putting all their candy and treats inside. It's a good way for them to have easy access to snacks, and you don't have to worry about them bugging for anything in the car. So another must is going to the Dollar Tree and letting your kids pick out a few toys to take for the car and not let them use it until the day of the trip. And they, of course, chose this little doodle pad, which I thought was the perfect pick for them, and you cannot go wrong. And also, if you see this container, I got this from the Dollar Tree also. It comes 2 in a pack, and it fits Crayola crayons perfectly, and it just keeps it clean and easy for them when they want to color. Okay guys, so for the next hack I'm going to show you how I make this really cool Lego storage container activity for the kids when they are in the car. So you will first take a sandwich container from the Dollar Tree, and you will also take one of these Lego sheets from the Dollar Tree as well. The great thing is you just have to clip off the tiny corners of the Lego sheet with an X-Acto knife, and it fits in the lid perfectly. So as you keep watching, you will see how I do this. What I like to do is put E6000 on the backing of the Lego sheet, and I just basically lay it right on top, and I just put a few weights on it just until it dries. So there you have it, guys, a super easy activity that you can make just for $2 for your kids' entertainment. They will absolutely love it. And of course, last but not least, iPads with headphones for your sanity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.